So what if you do something that's not natural and lean into the help that you're actually needing and looking for? And what if we take it a step at a time?
Yeah.
What if there's no rush? There's no pressure to get the help. What if we just talk about it, right? We don't have to talk about it on the air, but we can talk about it privately, and we can help you through whatever you're facing. And even though you've been dealt a bad deck of cards, we can show you how to play the game so you can still come out on top.
Okay, then.
Awesome.
So how about this? How about we give you a call and you just give us a few more moments and we'll give you a call at this number. Is this a good number to call you at?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We won't even ask your name. We'll just hope you pick up. We'll give you a call. We'll tell you it's us so you'll know. And then we'll just talk for a minute. And then we'll see what kind of cards you've been dealt, and we see if we can help you get a better hand. How about that?
That's good. I appreciate that. And if I know myself, I'm going to end up pushing y'all away. So if you call and I don't answer, I ask that you forgive me. Just give me a little bit of time, but I'm going to try my best to push past what I'm fighting.
It's okay.
The battle that I'm fighting.
It's okay. It's all right. What we want you to do is to consider another option, right? You've already been brave enough to call in at this point in time. You've been listening to our podcast, which we really appreciate. But you've done something that's so brave and so different already. And I want you to understand that this is your moment of change. You're right here at the starting line by doing something that you was not normally ready to do anyway, which was call and try to talk to somebody about what you're going through. So why don't we try something different this time? Why don't we just say, how about this? How about we say, I'm going to try something different this time. Can you do that?
Absolutely. I need to change.
I want to hear you say, I want to try something different this time. Just so you can, once you verbalize it, it helps you through the process of pushing back and it gives you more of a courage to lean forward. So what I want to hear you say is, I'm going to try something different this time when you guys call.
I'm going to try something different when y'all call.
All right. Look at that. That's so much courage.
Now that is a better hand than you've ever been dealt before.
Yeah.
And you are doing very well to start out. Okay.